DD35A and a DD35B by EMD. These here are 2 GEs, U50s, (5,000 horsepower), and the DD35 were also 5,000 horsepower by EMD, and these are GE U50s. This here is a DD40X, has 6,600 horsepower apiece, and these were built by EMD. It was only 47 of these were built, and 11 got saved. This here is an Alco C855A and B. Here's another C855A, 5,500 horsepower each. Then you got the big boy. And Challenger. These are the biggest steam engines that UP had. The largest diesels and the largest steam. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments. Thank you.